Hi, my name is Carrie, and we are going to read about rainforests by Miranda. Now, let's look at it like this. It's a blue book, everyday box book, a book box. This is the blue box. Rainforest, a monkey is hanging on the branches. This is a tropical rainforest. It is hot and wet all the time. A rainforest gets lots of rain. A rainforest is filled with plants and animals. This map, the green places are tropical rainforests, like here. Oh, there are tiny bits that you can see is here too. No, that's not. Here, very tiny one there, very big one. This is only the biggest. Maybe green down. It's green as far as you can see. Did you ever see so many plants in one place? There are trees and vines. There are beautiful flowers. Look, pink ones. I like pink and purple. Orchids grow in the rainforest. Orchids are kind like maybe trees. There is a lot of sunlight at the top of the rainforest. Trees at the top spread out. They spread out to catch the light. Some trees grow taller than 60 meters, 200 feet. That means they're taller than one grown man.
No.
They grow to reach the sunlight. Look, this is an armadillo. This is maybe a cheetah. This is the monkeys, birds, and a bat. What is a bat in the rainforest? Oh, is it a bat? Wait a minute. Oh, it is a bat. You didn't see this, did you? This is a snake, maybe a python. Canopy. This is the top zone of a rainforest. This is the middle zone of a rainforest. Middle zones. There's a top zone, middle zone, and then bottom zone.
No, floor.
No, bottom zone. Floor. This is the bottom zone of a rainforest. Canopy. There is a top zone, maybe. Top zone. There is a word. Top zone.
그래서 그게 캐노피인 거 아닌가?
Middle zone, and then the bottom zone. And there, the tallest thing is canopy, and the middle one is young trees, and the floor. Ah, cute, isn't it? This is a monkey. Most of the forest floor is in the rainforest. Most of the forest floor in the rainforest is dark. It does not get much sunlight. Plants grow up from the floor up to get enough light. Well, I think these trees will grow up to maybe 70. The soil is thin in a rainforest. These roots do not go down very deep. Oh, this is named Squirrel Monkey. Maybe small as a squirrel. But why is it so big? Many animals live in the rainforest. Big animals and birds live there. Lizards, frogs, and insects live there. Of course, insects live everywhere. Except for ants, they work. But they have their own houses. The animals eat the plants that grow there. A rainforest is like a big supermarket. I read in a book. It was like this, a supermarket. But there is no store. Maybe they don't pay money and stole it.
아니지 이게 먹을 게 많으니까 슈퍼마켓 갔다는 얘기지, 그지?
That was a joke. There's so many good things to eat. The squirrel monkey has found fruit to eat. Wow, it's Isaac. I don't like monkeys, well, but
Hey.
this is so pretty. I mean, cute.
왜 싫어해? 왜 안 좋아해? Why?
Monkey poop. Monkey poop. Paradise. Whoa. It is ruby red. Maybe dark red? Look at their feet. Wow. It is red and white, black and blue. Wow. Rainforest. The rainforest is thick. Animals of the same kind need to find each other. Animals of the
맞아, animals.
no animals of the same kind can find each other by their bright colors. This is not visible. Look, if you see a paradise, this is paradise. I read it from here. Paradise, we can see right away if we look in the treetops, maybe. The colors help them see each other. Wow, that was very good. That's a very clever idea. A bright color may warn other animals to stay away. It may mean I'm poisoned. It may mean stay away. But if they weren't poisoned, the birds who have been a group and walk around together like penguins, and then they will make a very, ruby red circle moving around. Wow, a tiger can attract that. Maybe a jaguar can catch them and they can flutter away different places. This red and white bird of paradise is easy to see. Of course, because they're ruby red. It doesn't match with the green. I can wear a bright colored coat or something. Then mommy will find me very easily.
그러니까 그럼 똑같은 거야.
Many animals may call each other. Some monkeys howl. That's howl, I meant.
이거 네가 말한 거 맞네. 소리를 내면 된다는 거.
Their howls can be heard far away. Maybe their ears are good. But an elephant's ears are gooder than that. With a shuffle, if there's a butterfly and it flutters away, the fluttering sound comes to the elephant's ear. Really? So, elephants can hear the howler monkeys far away. Howler monkeys fight each other by howling. Ow, ow, ow. Not like a wolf. These howler monkeys live in the Costa Rican rainforest. Do you know where it is? Me do. I know. Wow, look at this. I thought these were birds.
왜?
It doesn't look like
아니야, 뻘도 아닌데.
I thought.
어.
It doesn't look like birds.
아, doesn't look like. Okay.
Oh, a parrot. A scarlet macaw, not a parrot. It's a macaw, but its color is same same or different. Same maybe. I thought this was a parrot, but I didn't. The color of scarlet macaw is a string. Macaws live in groups. Think what a tree filled with macaws would look like. As the birds sing, frogs croak, owls hoot, snakes hiss, crickets chirp. A rainforest can be a noisy place. So,
시끄럽겠다, 맞지?
maybe if there were no animals in the rainforest and no insects or butterflies, that would be very quiet. Quieter than a library, maybe, because our school library is bustling with every kinds of children. Most 16 maybe. Many places. Not quiet. So yeah. The scarlet macaw lives in the Peruvian rainforest. Wow. Doesn't it look like butterflies and birds?
이거 허밍버드 아니야? 아닌가?
Oh, that's a hummingbird.
맞아.
Of course. A hummingbird visits a rainforest flower to get nectar. But in shape, the flowers look like hummingbirds. Insects and birds help the flowers make seeds. Hummingbirds love nectar. Sometimes pollen gets stuck to their feathers. They take pollen from one flower to another. But back. Hummingbird eat, drink another nectar, stuck it, pour. There's a video in the YouTube how to train a hummingbird. And there was a man, maybe woman, man, I don't know, but he put his finger on a wooden perch, and then a hummingbird came and then sat on his finger and drank the nectar from the hummingbird feeding bottle. There's a flower-shaped kind of holes to make the hummingbirds look like they're flowers. So the hummingbirds will poke their beaks into the little holes and they will drink. Their tongues are long. When the hummingbird pulled his beak out, there was something kind of thin and it went into its beak. It was a tongue. But do hummingbirds have teeth? No, because birds don't have teeth. They have short and sharp beaks. Beaks maybe. No, beaks. Birds or insects may like a flower for its color. Of course, hummingbirds love, red neck and ruby-necked hummingbird. That was so cute. I almost saw all the videos about rubies.
They might
like a flower for the shape. They may go to a flower that has nice smell. Of course, hummingbirds love honey. Bears too. Bumblebees too. Butterflies too. Bumblebee. Wow. Is this a flower or a fruit?
Fruit?
Yes, it's a fruit. Pineapples and sweet potatoes. Yum. I love sweet potatoes. I have one here. I like pineapples too. I ate one pineapple in school. Maybe 4 times, 6 times, I don't know. But the pineapples were so yummy that I stuffed all the pineapples in my whole mouth. I still taste the pineapple that I ate today. No, I didn't eat. Oh, yesterday.
Yesterday?
I ate pineapple yesterday, and today I ate grapes. You ate grapes? I don't remember.
Pineapples.
Wait a minute, this is chocolate.
에?
No, chocolate comes from plants that grow in the rainforest.
일단 읽어봐. Pineapples.
Pineapples and sweet potatoes are foods that grow in the rainforest. Today, these fruits are grown in other places. Chocolate comes from plants that grow in the rainforest. It comes from beans that grow there.
읽어봐. 오!
Chocolate is made from the fruit of a cacao tree. Cacao tree.
카카오 플랜트.
Cacao plant. It comes from here. I knew it was a fruit or a... But so close is so small. And it looks yellow and it looks like a flower ready to be bloomed. Rainforests are being cut down. People use the land for other things. They use the land for cattle. They use the land to grow crops. Rainforests and plants and animals are in danger. They cannot live if the rainforest cut down. Orangutans need the rainforest to live in. Snap! Medicines are made from rainforest plants. People use the medicines to help them get better. Many people are working to save the rainforests. It is important work. All people need the forests. People that live there need them. People who live other places need them too. This biologist is collecting plants in the Amazon forest in Peru.
In the Amazon rainforest in Peru.
The plants in the rainforest make oxygen. Everyone needs the rainforests for the air we breathe. When there's a flood, trees can suck up the water. But if there's too much, the trees can't suck up. So, it floods.
나 플러드가 나온 줄 알았어.
I think that is a flood. Oh, it's a rainforest. I thought it was a river. This is the rainforest that leads along the Seabun River. We must all work to save the rainforest. They are important to us all. The end. Bye.
Thank you.
Blue box. Bye.
Howling monkeys find each other by howling.
They can be lost and make sounds to make the others know where it is. This is not howler monkey, this is squirrel monkey. Animals find each other
By?
by howling.
아니 하울링은 나왔잖아 이제. By
Calling to them.
bright colors and by their calls to each other. 3. The animals eat the plants that grow there.
The rainforest is like a big supermarket
With
animals and with lots of good things to eat.
4. Supporting details. Insects and birds take pollen from one flower to the other.
Birds and insects help the flower grow or to make seeds.
Good job.
Good job.
Insects and birds help the flowers make seeds.
나랑 똑같네.
5. The plants in the rainforest make oxygen.
Everyone needs the rainforest for the air we breathe. Yeah.
처음에 좀 헤맸는데 잘했어.
Done?